At first glance, Rosabella Saffron Blend looks like one of those high-end, brain-boosting supplements that promise sharper memory, improved mood, and better focus, all wrapped in sleek packaging and clever marketing. The brand heavily promotes itself as a natural cognitive support formula, often luring customers in with buy one, get one, and free shipping deals on tryrosabella.com. But when you look deeper, the story isn't as golden as the saffron they advertise. Several users have reported strange inconsistencies, starting with the saffron itself. One customer even shared that what they received appeared to contain dyed fibers and bits of corn silk instead of pure saffron threads. That's a serious red flag for something claiming premium purity. Beyond the product itself, many buyers complain about hidden billing traps, being charged for repeat orders they never approved, or accidentally getting enrolled in subscription plans they didn't sign up for. The checkout page also seems to change prices midway, causing confusion and frustration. Then there's the exaggerated health claims. Rosabella insists their blend can restore mental clarity and balance emotions. But that kind of statement isn't backed by solid clinical evidence. Real saffron does have mood-lifting and antioxidant potential, but not to the miraculous level Rosabella suggests. Users also report long shipping delays and an almost impossible cancellation process, with customer service barely responding. All of this paints a murky picture. Rosabella Saffron Blend might not be a total scam, but it's definitely walking a thin line between marketing hype and questionable practices. If you're considering it, treat it more like a risky trial than a trusted long-term supplement. Because when it comes to your health and money, purity and honesty should come first.